G'day ladies and gentlemen, TJ here from TJ Makes Drinks. Cheers for coming around my place for another brew today. So, we got Australia Day coming up soon. And whether you agree with it being at the current date it is, or whether you don't, one thing I think we can agree on is that this is a damn beautiful country. So, in honour of that, this little drink is called the Green and Gold Pride. That's our colours. We green, we gold. We got pride in our country. We love it. So we're going to start off with a little bit of that Japanese green, the Midori. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, TJ, it's an Australian drink. So, it's in honour of Australia Day. Why the Japanese stuff? But I'm saying, the big thing that I love about this country is that we've managed to come together from so many places all across the world. We live here. We might not succeed, but we all try to live in harmony. And I think all the different stuff that we get from all these different people across our planet that come and move to our beautiful country, I think that's what makes our country so amazing. Because we get all these different things, these different cultures, these different ideas, and they melt together, and we take the best of everything, and we become a better place for it. I better stop. I'm starting to tear up here. So anyway, back to the drink. What we're going to do is we're going to get a glass, and we're going to put it over the top of our shot glass, right? So we get the Midori in the shot glass, and we want to make a very tight seal on the top here, because we're going to flip that bad boy around. And we do not want too much of that Midori making it into the actual glass itself just yet. So after that, we're going to come behind that with a bit of Russian water, the old Russian juice, vodka. And we're just going to go for a half a nip here. I'm going to pour that in around the Midori shot. And we're going to come behind that with some orange juice. Now, I actually quite like orange juice. I think it's a very underrated flavour. And juice. We're just going to pour that over the top of the shot glass, like so. You want, just under about a third of a glass, I should say, of orange juice. And if you look at it there, you get the Green and Gold Pride. Green's in the middle. Might not see it very well, but it's there. Green's in the middle, gold's there. And what we do is we lift the shot and put it down. So here's cheers. Man knows what a man is. And that's how we do Green and Gold Pride. Anyway, cheers for coming around my place for a drink. Please do all the Facebooks, all the YouTubes, that sort of stuff. Check us out, like, subscribe, follow, all of that sort of stuff. I'll catch you guys later. Here's cheers.